ফালতু মানুহৰ মানে হেৰি হৈছে
Science microscope, refined scientific instruments. The microscope is the instrument of a lens to produce the effect of an optical amplification. Microscope constructed by the eyepiece of the microscope, focusing wheel, nose piece, integration objective tree, specimen pressure holder, contained stage plus electric light, lift adjustment wheel, base and lens protection cover. Study and amusement. Microscope knowledge. Microscope is by combination of a lens and optical instrument consisting of mankind into the atomic design of the times. It's mainly used to enlarge small objects into the man's eye can see instruments. Microscope uses for biology, bacteriology, histology, drugs of science research, and clinical degree of experience of. Get in this kit. Microscope constructed by the eyepiece of the microscope, focusing, nose piece, integration, objective tree, specimen Pressure holder contains stage, electric light lift adjustment wheel, base and lens protection cover. 8. Specimens of glass, plastic containers, blank labels, collection bottles 2 and forceps with the microscope. Integration of objective tree, nose piece, multiples of 100x, 400x, 1200x, auxiliary lights, adjustable for height, light switch. Careful use and maintenance of microscope and not in use, cover the tube cover and in multiples of cylinder cover. Battery installation, the battery cover, install the batteries not included. Loosen the screws, open the battery cover, insert the 1.5 volt AA batteries, then close the battery cover and then tighten the screws.